And when it comes to smart energy management, it's investments like our new LG Chem Resu 10H solar storage battery that's now rolling in to help power our home.
So these are all made in South Korea, aren't they?
That's right. All the Resu range of batteries are all made and manufactured in South Korea, and that's where we do all our research and development also.
Established in 1947, it was South Korea's chemical manufacturer Lucky Chemicals that soon merged with consumer electronics brand Goldstar, and together became Lucky Goldstar, or LG as we know it today.
Just the bigger the batteries, the more it holds,
Yep.
the better the outcome for them.
That's right. So typically you'll see here a whole range of different sizes of battery. The smaller the capacity, but we've got flexibility for the market, ranging from small homes to big homes.
Right, and I think this is our system right here, isn't it?
Correct. So this is the LG Chem Resu 10H battery and the Solar Edge hybrid inverter.
As the major suppliers in the global lithium battery industry for over 2 decades, it's LG Chem batteries that are used around the world in millions of mobile phones and laptops. They are also a major supplier to nearly every electric and hybrid vehicle maker in the market.
We do. So yes, we are again established in 1947, so very the original L in the LG. But additionally, yes, our focus on lithium batteries has been very strong since the 90s. And we do have a range of different patents. So we're investing very heavily to make sure we continue to be world leaders in this space.
And it's from this research and development where innovations in battery chemistry, like polymer pouch technology, as opposed to the old cylindrical cell battery design, that are pushing the frontiers of battery storage.
There's a lot of benefits with the polymer pouch design cells. So in particular is the energy density and the high power that you can get out of these products.
And at the end of the day, all of this high-tech solar storage technology will mean we're going to be harvesting and storing our very own clean green energy made by the sun on our roof. And it's that battery power that's all free of charge. For more information about this series, visit www.topproperty.tv.